The surprising truth about living full-time on a cruise ship. Imagine waking up every day surrounded by endless ocean views, stepping out onto a deck that feels like your backyard, and having a new destination waiting just beyond the horizon. Living full-time on a cruise ship sounds like a dream come true, luxury, adventure, and the world at your fingertips. But beneath all that glamour, there's a surprising reality most people don't see. What it's really like to call a cruise ship home might just change how you feel about this lifestyle forever. Section 1. The allure of cruise ship living. The idea of living full-time on a cruise ship is one that captures the imagination like few others. Picture this: waking up every morning in a beautifully furnished stateroom, stepping out onto a deck with panoramic ocean views, and knowing your next adventure is just a few hours away. For many retirees, digital nomads, and adventure seekers, this lifestyle offers an irresistible mix of comfort, luxury, and freedom. Instead of the usual routine of settling into one place, your home moves with you, carrying you from sun-soaked tropical islands to vibrant, historic cities across the globe. Cruise ships are like floating resorts, packed with pools, fine dining options, theaters, and endless entertainment. Social events and onboard activities create a sense of community that appeals to those looking to meet new people while traveling. For some, the appeal is the convenience. No need to worry about home maintenance, bills, or the usual chores tied to owning a house. It's the ultimate freedom for those wanting to explore the world without giving up the comforts of home. But while the allure is strong and the lifestyle seems perfect on paper, there's a flip side that's often overlooked. Living on a cruise ship means adjusting to a completely different way of life, one that demands flexibility, patience, and sometimes sacrifice. The glamorous image doesn't always reflect the full story. As exciting as the perks are, the reality of daily life on board comes with its own set of unexpected challenges, and those start from day one. Section 2. The hidden costs and challenges. Living on a cruise ship full-time isn't just about booking a ticket and setting sail. It comes with a price tag that goes beyond the obvious. While it might seem like a money saver compared to owning a house, the reality is that monthly expenses can quickly add up. Cruise lines charge a daily rate that covers your room and basic meals, but extras like specialty dining, laundry, shore excursions, and even internet access can drain your budget faster than you expect. Plus, there's always the cost of flights to and from the ship and other travel expenses that don't get factored in upfront. Space is another major challenge. Cruise ship cabins are famously compact, designed more for short stays than permanent living. You'll find yourself adjusting to a tiny room with limited storage, where every inch counts. Privacy can feel scarce, with neighbors just a few feet away and thin walls that carry every noise. That constant hum of activity, the chatter, footsteps, and announcements, never fully disappears, making it hard to find peace and quiet. Routines that most people take for granted, like cooking your own meals, doing laundry on your schedule, or simply having space to unwind, require new compromises. Many full-timers discover it's not just about the money or the small room. It's about adapting to a completely different daily rhythm. And as you'll see, these hidden challenges are just the beginning. Section 3. The social life, more complicated than it seems. At first glance, the social scene on a cruise ship looks like a non-stop party. With daily events, group dinners, and endless activities, it seems easy to make friends and build a community. But the reality of forming lasting relationships on board is far more complicated. People come and go constantly, some stay a few days, others a few months, and many only for short cruises. This constant turnover means friendships can feel fleeting, and it's tough to build deep connections when everyone is always moving. Clashes in personalities and expectations add another layer of complexity. Different backgrounds, lifestyles, and reasons for living at sea sometimes lead to drama beneath the surface. Small disagreements over shared spaces or social etiquette can spiral quickly, making the tight quarters feel even smaller. For some, the excitement of meeting new people is tempered by moments of loneliness or frustration. Even surrounded by hundreds or thousands of fellow cruisers, many full-timers admit that loneliness can creep in. The sense of community might be there, but the depth and stability that comes with a traditional neighborhood or family life are often missing. And just when you think you've found your crew, someone's disembarking, and you're back to square one. This ongoing social shuffle is one of the most surprising and challenging parts of living full-time at sea. But the surprises don't end here. Section 4. Medical and safety concerns at sea. When you live on land, a hospital or doctor's office is usually just a short drive away. But on a cruise ship, medical care is a very different story. Ships have onboard clinics with limited facilities and staff, designed mainly to handle minor illnesses and injuries. For serious conditions or emergencies, getting proper treatment can mean being rushed to the nearest port, or even an expensive medical evacuation by air. That uncertainty can be a major source of stress for full-time cruisers, especially older passengers, or those with ongoing health issues. Safety on a cruise ship is tightly regulated, with strict protocols to handle everything from fires to storms. Still, accidents and emergencies happen, sometimes catching residents off guard. Unlike a regular home, where you can leave quickly if danger strikes, evacuations at sea are complex and stressful. Plus, living on a ship means sharing space with thousands of people, which increases the risk of illness spreading, especially during outbreaks. Many full-timers don't openly talk about these medical and safety challenges, but they are very real. The polished image of cruise life often hides the fact that when something goes wrong, you're far from the support systems most people rely on. And just when you think you've gotten used to these risks, the next challenge waits just beyond the horizon. Section 5. The reality of connectivity and work. For many who choose to live full-time on a cruise ship, the ability to work remotely is a major reason for taking the plunge. But internet access at sea isn't as reliable or affordable as most expect. Cruise ships rely on satellite connections that can be slow, spotty, and sometimes drop out completely, especially when sailing through remote areas. What's worse, Wi-Fi usually comes at a premium price, and data limits or slow speeds can make video calls, large uploads, or streaming nearly impossible. This digital struggle hits hard for digital nomads, freelancers, or anyone needing steady online access to earn a living. Dead zones, unexpected fees, and unreliable service often force people to scramble for alternatives, whether that means docking early for better connections or sacrificing productivity. Even streaming entertainment or staying connected with family back home can become a frustrating battle. For many, the promise of work from anywhere clashes with the reality of how challenging it is to stay online consistently on a ship. It's a hurdle that surprises a lot of full-timers and one that can make or break their entire lifestyle. But the logistical headaches don't stop with Wi-Fi. There's an even bigger maze to navigate. Section 6. Legal and logistical headaches. Living full-time on a cruise ship means navigating a complex web of legal and logistical challenges that most people don't anticipate. Unlike staying in one country, cruise residents have to deal with constantly changing visas and residency rules depending on where the ship docks. Some ports require special permits or have strict entry requirements, making travel plans unpredictable and sometimes stressful. Then there's the issue of handling your mail and personal belongings. Since you don't have a traditional home address, managing bills, packages, and important documents can become a full-time job. Many full-timers rely on mail forwarding services, but these can be expensive and unreliable, causing delays or lost items. Shipping larger possessions or even favorite items home and forth adds another layer of complication, with customs regulations and fees catching many by surprise. On top of all this, cruise lines frequently update their policies, sometimes without much notice. Rules about how long you can stay, which services you can access, or fees you must pay can change, forcing residents to constantly adapt. This bureaucratic maze is one of the least glamorous parts of living at sea, and it's a reality that often catches newcomers off guard. But knowing this upfront can save a lot of headaches down the line. Section 7. Would you take the plunge? Living full-time on a cruise ship offers a rare blend of freedom and adventure that few lifestyles can match. It's a chance to wake up every day somewhere new, to explore the world while wrapped in luxury. But as we've seen, it's not all smooth sailing. The hidden costs, cramped spaces, social ups and downs, Medical uncertainties, spotty internet, and endless paperwork paint a much more complicated picture. This lifestyle demands flexibility, resilience, and a willingness to trade some comforts for constant motion. It's a dream for some, and a struggle for others. If you're considering joining the ranks of full-time cruisers, take the time to weigh these truths carefully. Because once you sail away, the reality of life at sea will be with you every step of the journey. Living full-time on a cruise ship is a lifestyle filled with incredible perks, but it's far from perfect. The freedom to travel endlessly and live in luxury comes with hidden costs, unexpected challenges, and sacrifices that most don't see up front. It's a choice that demands careful thought and preparation, because beneath the sparkling surface lies a reality that can surprise even the most adventurous souls. So, before you pack your bags and set sail, make sure you know what you're really signing up for. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more cruise tips.